Big up to everyone. Lovely family and lovely friends out there. It is always great to be here together as a family. So happy Monday to you, whatever you are watching us from. Um, I'm gonna discuss a few things with you guys today together. Um, we're gonna talk about Ghana Black Stars. When it comes to goal scoring, it's big problem in Ghana now. It's giving us a lot of headache. You see Ghana dominate midfield, create a lot of chances, but when it comes to scoring goals, it's big problem. And also, I have latest um, news about William brothers as well. Um, so, guys, let's get it. If you remember, guys, for some few weeks ago, I came out and break it down to you guys that William brothers will visit Ghana and the end of the season. And I told you guys that if everything's set, I will come back again and update it to you guys again. So the news I have for you guys, and I know that you guys cannot wait to hear that. If you are in Ghana, expect William Brothers tomorrow morning. And yeah, if you are in Ghana, expect William Brothers tomorrow morning. Well, it could happen tonight as well, but tonight, to be fair, tonight is very slim. So what I really believe that I'm telling you here, if you are in Ghana, if nothing change from any moment from now, expect William Brothers in Ghana tomorrow morning. So that's the latest news I have for you guys from William Brothers as well. Are you happy? Are you so excited to see William Brothers in Ghana? For me personally, yes, absolutely happy for them going to Ghana. Since yesterday, I was very, very happy. So guys, what are you really, really happy about William Brothers coming to Ghana? For me, the reason why I'm so excited and I'm so happy, um, you know, when it comes to Ghana, if there is something improvement happening in Ghana, it's something that I always so excited. Some of us we are so passionate, like I always say, passionate about Black Stars, passionate about Ghana. We want to see improvement. So William Brothers going to Ghana, it's going to draw a lot of attention to Ghana in the internet and so many achievement. So that is something that I'm personally very, very excited. I'm very happy. Yeah. So guys, what are you also happy about? Give your comment. Tell me what you are happy about, and let's have a chat on the comment box. What you really excited about? Yeah. So guys, let's get it into Black Stars camp as well. Our main problem, biggest problem in Ghana now, is the goal scoring. You see Ghana dominate midfield, create a lot of chances, but when it comes to the forward lines, putting ball to the net is a big problem now. And I think we really, really need to work on that. And we really, really need to work on that. If you noticed last week Wednesday, which we will play against Madagascar, Ghana should have scored more than 3 goals, create a lot of chances from the first half, but the forward line was nowhere to be found in all that. So it's something that I think we really have a big problem. And I do believe that you that are watching this video right now, you may agree with me, and I believe that you notice that by yourself as well. It's something that we really need to work on that. Something that we really need to put pressure on the coach and the management team and the GFA as well. Some of us we are so passionate about Black Stars, passionate about Ghana, but there is nothing we can do. The only thing we can do is to come out to put pressure on the coach for them to do the right thing. And what is the right thing to do? Going to the World Cup, we are tired of always seeing African teams just adding numbers to the World Cup, just calling name that, well, I've been in the World Cup for the first time, I've been in the World Cup for 4 times or 6 times or 5 times. And what we, at, we I don't know, we actually achieve when it comes to Africa, always going to the World Cup, personally in Ghana. You know, Going to the quarterfinals, yes, is good, but as Ghana, we should do more than that. We should believe that to go to the finals, even win the World Cup. So, guys, doing that, we need to always come out, put pressure on the coach. It is not about insult, but telling them to do the right thing. What is the right thing to do? Put the right players, not all put this player there because this player have a lot of people there. No, call the right players. There is a right players there to do the job. So, because if you really want to do well at the World Cup, we need to call the right players. That is something that um, the coach need to work on, because you notice yesterday Sunday as well, the game against Africa Republic, Santa Africa Republic. It was like creating a lot of chances, and the end of the day, we drew that game 1-1. So, guys, what do you think about? And what do you think Ghana really need to do? Give your comment. What do you really think? I believe that you'll be happy when you see Ghana creating a lot of chances, scoring a lot of goals. Almost about more than 2 years now, we haven't seen Ghana that we can say, wow, this is Ghana that we want to see. Even if you notice, Ghana won the game against Madagascar, but it wasn't the kind of goals that we want to see. Yes, we got the 3 point is a great thing, massive one. But to me, my personal opinion, um, it was a great goals, but not goals that we really want to see from Black Stars. Work from the midfield, give pass, give this, and shoot and score. This is what we really want. So, guys, if you think that maybe Coach Otoado and Chris Hutton and all, George Burton and Gigi Dramane, they are doing a great job. Yes, they are doing a great job, but still, it is a long way to go. They really need to work hard to improve. And I think if they improve the forward line, we can do better on the World Cup. And I'm very positive that this time around, we are sick or tired of African teams always going out there, just go out there, not performing from the World Cup. And we have a great players as well. Why all this? Simply because we are not calling the right players. And this is the time for us to put pressure on the coaches, the management team, the GFA, for them to do the right thing. Because Black Stars there, it is you and I are paying the Black Stars. So if you don't know, I'm telling you, it is you and I that paying the Black Stars, and even the coaches and the GFA president as well. It is you and I are paying them. So if they are not doing the right thing, I think we should come out and always tell them what they need to do. And doing that is not about insult, To tell someone to do the right thing is not about insult, but telling them what is the right thing for them to do. And I do believe all the time that they listen as well. Not that they don't listen to us. They listen, they watch our videos, and sometimes they pick something that will benefit the team, something that will benefit the country as well. So this is some of the things that I believe that um, Ghana really need to do. So, guys, what do you think? What do you think about William Torres going to Ghana um, from any moment from now? And what do you think about Ghana goal scoring? What is our main problem? Give your comment below and let's have a chat there. Have a great evening.